The double stroke roll drum rudiment remains right, left, left. So in this very video, I'll be showing you a fun way to apply it as a feel in a 6/8 groove as a beginner. So here is the pattern. So let's make it faster a bit. So this is how you'll be applying it on the drum set. So right now we'll be trying it out in a 6/8 groove. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more drum lessons. See you in the next one.